Hey beauts, it's Lisshaaleah Beauty and we're back for a liner and lashes tutorial. Let's go. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to check out the Best of Lisshaaleah Beauty playlist so you can get caught up on any old videos that you missed. And if you're returning, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Now we can get into our liner and lashes tutorial. Today for our products, we'll be using Morphe. It's a felt tip liquid liner. And the Sephora collection Lashes Craze. If you can see that close up, of course I'll put what I'm using above and how much it costs and where you can get it. I use my Lash Adhesive Velour and the Sephora collection Lash Application. So these work really well together. Velour, boo, you are great through rain and shine. So let's use these products. And that's it, folks. If you missed out on any information, hit my description below so you can get all the beauty deets you need. Lisshaaleah Beauty out.